Damn it! What the hell? He blew it! Just like Lee Quick did. Pinocchio? Pinocchio, what the hell? He blew it. God damn, he blew it. Damn it, he blew it. I can't believe it. After all that rooting for him, after he defeated Rob, I mean, having a runaway on his first day and stuff like that, In the fucking lead, though. But, excuse my language, folks. Sorry about that, you know. I'm very disappointed in this guy. Very upset at that he lost. Goddamn him. I'm sorry, y'all, and I'm sorry to Alan for cursing y'all, cursing about him. You know, what the hell? I don't get it. You know. All right, so never mind that though. I'm about to watch some TV, okay? So that's it for now. You know, I'm very disappointed that he blew it. You know, very disappointed. Oh well, never mind that. All right, bye.